Okay, our garlic is turning brown and laying down, so we think it's time to harvest. I guess we'll pull a few and see what it looks like and decide if it's time to harvest it all. So here goes. Ooh, it's pretty big. Pretty nice. Ooh. Holy cow, that's a big one. I think it's time. Holy cow, look, they're huge. Smells like garlic. Small. Nice. Not bad. There's two kind of together. Small. Huge. Pulled up a worm with that one. There's three. 1, 2, 3, 4 in one block. Oh, one broke. 3 nice ones. Okay, this is all the garlic that we pulled out of the cinder blocks in front of the asparagus bed. Now we're going to go pick that row by the corn. Look at this sucker. It's huge. My hands are big for a girl's, and look at that. And they're huge. Huge and pretty. Best garlic we've ever grown. Beautiful. Yay! This is our garlic in front of the corn. We're about to harvest it now. I don't think it's going to be as big as the other ones, just from looking, but we'll see. Corn's gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. It's beautiful. Tall, thick, green, pretty. I have high hopes for this. High expectations. All right, let's look at the garlic. Uh-oh. We have to get a... Here. Okay. Ooh, not bad. It's a pretty one. Not bad. It's a huge one. Ooh, not bad at all. Alright, I'll come back and show you what we get. We took our other garlic harvest and laid it on top of the quail coop. They're not real sure what to make of this. But look how pretty. I think I was very wrong when I said I wasn't expecting much. Look how big and pretty. They're gorgeous. Let me bring my ruler out here. Yeah, that's a good, what, 2 inches? 2 inches in diameter? Pretty pretty. Lots of big pretty garlic this year. Best harvest ever. We don't weigh this until after it's cured. Like, I'll come out in about a week and braid these stems and hang them up, and then after the greens are completely dry, then we'll take them off, and then we weigh it. We don't weigh it wet with all this attached, so didn't figure that'd be a real accurate weight. So we'll do a garlic weigh-in after all the foliage part, the green part, is dried. But that's it. Pretty nice harvest. Well pleased with the garlic harvest this year too. Woohoo! All right, thanks for watching. Thought we'd look at the onions while we were pulling garlic, and they're not quite ready, but they're starting to swell. And the plants are good and healthy. Well, they're supposed to make an onion when they have 16 blades. Is that right? Or through doing green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So should have a little bit more plant growing, green growing time before they start working hard on the bulbs. They're starting to swell. That one I noticed. And there's another one over here. This guy, he's starting to look pretty impressive. So maybe we'll actually get some onions out of this. I'll be tickled to death. All right, thanks for watching.